Inner Peace Playground. Let's go! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, please. The bell is going ding and the clock is going tock. It's time to find a home for every crayon and block. Is there a pencil on the floor? Pick it up, please, before it runs away to join the chimpanzees. Check under the chairs, check under your toes. Is that a Lego piece or a giant robot's nose? Zip it, fold it, put it all away. We're the Inner Peace Playground crew today. From the ceiling to the floor, from the window to the door, we won't see this messy mess anymore. Clean it fast, clean it neat. Keep those moving hands and feet. Gather up the papers, make a neat little stack. Put your thinking cap on, put your folders in the rack. If you find a stray cap, go and find the marker before the classroom gets a little bit darker. Is that a scrap of paper? Is it a tiny hat? Give it to the trash can, oh nom nom, just like that. Can you clean like a ninja? Can you clean like a robot? Can you clean in slow motion? Now clean like a cheetah. Go, 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 go! Zip it, fold it, put it all away. We're the Inner Peace Playground crew today. The desks are all shining, the floor is looking grand. You're the bestest little helpers in all the land. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like a bunny to your seat. Hop, hop, hop to your seat. Hop, hop, make it meet. Wait for it. Sit down. 1, 2, 3. Inner Peace Playground. We